Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing another bee swarm video. Oh, it feels so good to be doing videos again. Oh no, mantis. So right now I'm doing pink pineapples, red pollen, and then pineapple patch. So, the update is going to come out soon, either this week or next week. And I am super excited. Yay! I kind of sound sarcastic for some reason. But I'm not sarcastic, this is like a yay, 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 yay. Update type right here. I'm cringy. No, I'm gonna go now. So, yay! Update. Finally! And the whole time I've been doing this YouTube, and it's been 2 months since my last video. 2 whole months. And I haven't even had an update in BSWAT in 2 months. So yeah. Oh, baby love. So we're going quite good on this pink pineapples quest. So what I want to do today, I'm just gonna go around the map and check out some stuff. Oh, you have the exact same. Oh, you're worse than me. Yay, I'm better than you. Wait. He's worse than me, but he's got a lot more honey than me. So he's got that much honey. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. So, what do I want to try and buy? Oh, gumdrops. Free gumdrops from the... Yay! Awesome person giving me free gumdrops. Gumdrop gummy thing. Yay. Okay. So, what am I going to buy? I've 207,000 million. I don't know maths. So, how much is I can go? Okay, that's that much. Those are that much. Oh, that's equipped here. How much was that? 3. Oh, so much. Okay, so I think my goal today is to get the belt bag. That's one of the things I want to do. By the way, I just got those things. That's why it says 5 minutes ago and it is 3 minutes. I have not got my hands on this. Like, this is my dots and stuff to say that I'm touching right here. What? Right. Okay. So, where's the red area? Red is right here. Actually, I'd rather get this bit because this is 2 reds. Wait, no, this bit has 4 reds. Okay, I'd rather get this spot. 67 red. So I'm going to see you when this is close to done. See ya soon. Okay, so my backpack is full and there's just been a honey storm, as you can see right there. Okay guys, so I am back. It kind of kicked me out of things, so I'm going to claim hive. Oh, seedling is sprouted. I'm going to claim hive and make honey. Bees make honey. So, all my bees are making some honey. Okay, just a little bit more. And then Kingdom Collection is bamboo and mushroom. So, what else can I do? How many bees do I have? 17. 3 more and then I've got other thingy, 20, which means I can do ant battles and get an ant amulet. How many tickets? 37. And if I get 25, then I can go up there. Or if I just get 22 discovered. By the way, in the next update, which is coming either tomorrow or the next day, they're going to change that to 25s bees, so you can't just go up there when you're not supposed to. So yeah, tick tick tick. So I'm going to go and get this 20 eggs hatched. I haven't done that yet. Boop. If I got any royal jellies? Oh yes, I do. I think I'll use it because I'm now all the way over here. I don't want to just have to run all the way back there. Unless I do, but I don't want to do that. Okay, I just had to do some. So, no, matters. No, I'm running from matters. By the way, guys, did you know that if you... Wait, I don't know. Wait, no, I still want to kill you. Yeah. 3 blueberries. If you somehow get up here... Yes. No, don't fall off. And then just keep trying to do this. You can actually glitch through this bit. Come on. Yes! So look, now I'm outside of the whole map. Yeah, outside of the map. What was this? +5. Ooh, okay. And this is like where the Star Hall, no, sorry, not Star Hall, the authority area is. Wait, is this gonna be where the big boss fight battle thing is? Wait, you can't go in here. I wonder if this is where it's gonna be. Wait, no, you can go in here, just not in the section. Whoa. I think this might be like where the boss fight thing is, when like you get that thing and stuff like that in the authority area. Uncovering some secrets. How do I get past here? Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna die. I think this will kill me. Wait, why isn't the black killing me? Wait, can I get on top of this pineapple? Oh no, because it's go throughable. I have no idea how I'm gonna get back. So I'm just gonna reset character. Boom, reset character. All my body parts are everywhere. Boop. Yeah, go away, shocked bee. And I'm going to fly all the way over here. Fly. 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 Oh, wait. Okay, I'm back. So, go down here. And get some more of this. Boop, 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 boop. Yes, baby love. And blue and red boosters. And this thing. Boop. Boop. How much more? Oh, so close, so close. Boom. Boom. Now I'm gonna parachute down to Mushroom Field for Kingdom Collection while doing the 80,000 repollen for pink pineapples. And you can actually see my feet above the boots, so the blue and yellow. My two favourite colours. Go down here. Oh no, ladybug. Don't want to deal with you. Whew. This is really gonna take a while. By the way, okay, so I'm gonna tell you a story. So, I was at school and we were doing Maori class, and for languages, and I'm a good speller, so yeah, but for some reason I'm really bad when it comes to spelling in a different language. And when I spelt Maori, I put Mario, the character. It's me, Mario. So I'm quite bad at spelling in different languages. Now you know that. Okay, how long is this really gonna take? A while, that's what. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys soon when it's nearly done. Okay, I am running really fast. I'm running really fast now, a lot faster than usually, because I've got ×4 on haste. No, I'm gonna get to ×5. No. Got a rage. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a rage bee. I have a rage bee. I can't remember what episode I got it on, but I don't care. Yay. Okay, so either tomorrow or the next day, I'm gonna do a Beasel video on the new update. Yes, new update. IPA moo cow. I'm a moo cow. Ooh, it's becoming night time, and you know what that means. Where are they going? How many do I have? 29. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this spider field. Have I killed the spider? Nope. He's coming for me. Ow, no, don't you dare kill me, spider. If you kill me, okay, you're dead. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. There you go. Cheers to. And take it. Yay, new ticket. Excuse me. Where are they going? Oh, I can kill the werewolf. Werewolf. Killing the werewolf. Come up here and kill the werewolf. Oh, wait, I can't stop not running. I'm actually not touching the screen. Oh no, werewolf. Yeah. No. Save me, beast. No, yay. Okay, so now you're over here and over here. We're going down here. You see to this field, okay. This field right here. No! As soon as one landed, they all have to leave because of daytime. Why do fireflies leave at daytime? I just realised I'm the only person on the server apart from VipPick. I want to change servers now because I don't want to be the only person on this server. By the way, you go into Onit. Wait, what? No. I said, why? Why are you doing this to me? If you go into Onit, go down to Collections, Inventory. Go to Decals. This is what's going to be the new update. So starting from here. So there's going to be red and blue extract. Might be a flag, because flag from all the way back there. There's going to be H mark, P mark, glue, M seed. Content deleted was Mzynes, but he wants to redraw it. There's glitter, trails, whatever that is, honeycomb belt, crimson guard. So there's all these different guards, hats and stuffs. But look, the gummy hat thingy. A dot. Why is there a dot? And then these stick bug amulets. If you go into audio, stick bug. I like their music. Oh, it's cool. I like it. And Vendor. Okay. This one. Twigs. Oh, I don't like that noise. Oh, they're the stick bugs' voices. What one do you like? Comment down below. Oh, that's the wealth clock. We've already seen that. Wait, Mountain Cool? Oh yeah, Mountain Cool, yeah, Sprout. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I shouldn't be doing this. No. Can I just play B-Storm now? No. I just want to play B-Storm now. I just want to play B-Storm. Can I just play B-Storm now? What B-Storm? No. B-Storm Simulator. Play. Okay, let's just keep playing B-Storm. Hatch bees, collect pollen, make honey. Oh yeah, there's someone with only one bee, and it's a looker bee. Yeah. Yay, I'm now on a server where I'm better than everyone. No, I'm not better than everyone. Yes, there is a lot more people better than me. Well, I am better than Caden, if that's how you say it. Oh, I love this music. Yes. longer. I'm gonna end this video when I get pink pineapples done. But I still need 30,000 more, which might take a while. Hopefully it won't take a while, and I can just finish this video soon. Okay, that's a bit too loud now. But I still want the music on. There. Oh wait, I'm getting cool. Okay, so I have finished the mushroom field thing, and 2, I'm now up here because it's easier to get stuff from up here. Because all the flowers have bigger flower things. Oh, there's one over there with 2. 2 big things. 2 of the big ones. Oh, strawberry! No. Oh no, I failed life. Didn't get the strawberry, so I failed life now. So, smack. Oh. 1, I smacked my head into the wall. 2, I didn't even get the thing I wanted to get, so I just smacked my head into the wall for nothing. Best view ever. I'm just gonna keep it like this for the rest of the video, totally. Okay, this is just kind of weird. Oh, I'm all the way over here now. Collect some of this. And I'll just swallow. Oh, big thing. Boom. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, done. Yeah. Oh. Now there's. I don't really care about this nighttime cycle thing right now. And I'm just gonna fill up the rest of my bag while I'm at it, because it's super close to being finished. There's a sunflower seed. Sunflower seed. Oh, honey. More honey. Lots more honeys. Honey. Very yummy honey. Container full. Go to your hive to make honey now. There. Okay, I'm blinded by the explosion. Oh, it's up there. Hello, Black Bear. 1 more quest and I'll give you a raw jelly. 13 more quests and I'll give you my diamond egg. What do you want me to do now? Blue mushrooms. Oh, that's amazing. Horrible. Honey. And while they're doing that, what one do I have a double up of? I can't really see. I'll just check in here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, I really don't want to buy any. What should I do? I just have to keep this road jelly now. Okay, oh my goodness, I have so much honey now. Yes, so much honey. So I think I'm going to end the video by buying something in the shop. but I'm not going to end the video in the shop or around that area because it feels like I end it there like every single time I do a video. Right, so how much is this? Oh, no, I am not doing that. Running up to the place that I really want to go to. There's 3 shops in the game right now. Shop, shop, shop. But you can't see the other 2 shops. You can only see so there's Noob Shop, Pro Shop, and then Top Shop. Open shop. Okay, so I'm close to that. Don't really want that. Wait, what? Oh, no, I don't want that. Yeah. Boom! Bought the belt bag. Yay, I now have a belt bag thing. Yay. So I have more soul. Yay. Big storage. Yay, I got big storage. I got very big storage. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time in another video.